So this is Writings on the Wall. I'm going to play the right hand from the end of bar 8 and then take over with the left hand tune at the end of bar 10 to show you the dotted bits. So we're on 3 on E flat, swap fingers, swap again, then the left hand comes in with E flat, finger 2, and then the right hand has some spread chords and the left as well. So in bar 9 the left hand goes G, B flat, F, A, E flat, G, C, F, and then the right hand does the spreads as well. We said to use whatever fingers you were comfortable doing there. Okay, so it doesn't really matter because you've got to come off in between them anyway. So whatever's comfy.